Good morning, American government. How are you today? It was great to see some of your smiling faces yesterday. I sure do miss our interaction, and hopefully we can get back soon. Just a couple quick things I need you to do. If you'd be so kind to answer that silly discussion question, it's admin's way of trying to keep track of attendance. I posted it incorrectly the first time, so hopefully you can find it on your Canvas account now. Do not forget about the quiz. Most of you have turned it in already, but just make sure you get that to me as well. And your final assignment, as discussed yesterday, is a 2 to 3 page paper on presidential leadership. I guess everything you need to know is on Canvas. If you have any questions, just give me a shout and we'll work through it. But it'll be straightforward, and that'll sort of wrap up this week for us. Have a wonderful, wonderful Easter. If you need me for any reason, I am here in this office, if you can call it an office, too many hours a day. But I'm here to help, so if anything goes sideways and I can be of assistance, please do not hesitate to give me a shout. I will leave you with one silly kid president video, and then we will talk soon.
Change the world. Some people think you should just complain about it. I won't change the world, they'll just make it bad. Some people think you gotta have lots of money. Make it rain everywhere you go. Holla for $1. Some people think you have to be really loud and yell a lot. It's like with a bullhorn shouting, "Hey you, yeah you, get my way right now." Other people choose to just make fun of everything. That's dumb, everyone's dumb. It's easier to make fun of stuff, but it's cooler to make stuff. Some people think changing the world can only be done by the smartest person in the world. Just put them in a room and let them figure it out. The solution of world hunger? Food. Wow, that was like so amazing. Some people see the bad in the world and they just decide to ignore it, but that won't help anything. Some people think you have to be really famous and super cool. In fact, lots of people think you have to be really powerful to make a difference, like being mayor or senator or president. But the truth is, a title doesn't make you more important. The world is changed by you. It's one person filled with love, and they just have to live it out, so they do something awesome. Then that person is filled with love, and they do something awesome. And it goes on and on and on and on. And the next thing you know, everything's awesome. Some people think it's impossible to change the world.
It's impossible to change the world.
Well, you can see why they could think that. Living in a world with kids who are hungry, people who are homeless, families who aren't happy. I'm just trying to figure it out like everybody else, man. I do know this, though. Next time you feel overwhelmed or totally alone, remember this. Things don't have to be the way they are. The world is changed by ordinary people. Little people living out big love. And that's what gives the world a reason to dance. So, how do we change the world? At the start of this year, I asked all you guys to make the year more awesome. Time to be awesome now! Make this year awesome for somebody else. Whether it's helping the homeless with October, throwing a parade for somebody, or giving an inspired gift. You can see my holiday gift guide by clicking here. You help prove that the internet can be an awesome place. Thank you, but we're not done yet. This coming year, let's show the world what awesome really looks like.
Some time.
I love Oh man, me and this little desk have been through a lot. We've been quite on a really big adventure, old boy. It's just keep falling. We need a new tab. Is that good? Love changes everything, so fill the world with it.
Do you
you have a life insurance policy you no longer